What's up, y'all? It's Dan here, Crypto Camacho. I am bullish on Bitcoin today. The market is turning around, guys. It looks like it's turning around. Let's jump into it, and I want to show you exactly what I am talking about. Check out this chart. This is the Bitcoin chart. We've seen a huge run up, right, to about 75,000 just over the last few months. This is a monthly chart we're looking at right now, and it looks like we're headed on the upward, or we're going to go back down. What do y'all think is about to happen? Are we about to head into a bull run, or are we about to go back down into a bearish market down to 40K? Let's see what Bitcoin is about to do. So what's going on in the crypto markets today, guys? So a lot is happening in the crypto markets today. It looks like things are turning around potentially for the better, although there is a risk that things are still going to fall down, right? I'm looking at Dodge, I'm looking at Grok coin, I'm looking at Bitcoin, I'm looking at TEL, I'm looking at VRA, I'm looking at all kinds of things, GAU token, but I'm also looking at brand new CAT20 tokens. I'm looking at BRC20 tokens. I'm looking at DRC20 tokens. And man, the sky is the limit. In this next bull run, the DRC20s, the BRC20s, the CAT20s, the banks of the world, they are going to do the best. They are going to return the most, and you're going to see why. Bell's coin, that's another one. And let's jump right into it, all right? If you remember my previous videos, I did talk a little bit about the CAT20 protocol or the CAT token, if you will. All right. Now, this is a quick site. This is pump. Let me go to this site. It's cat.fun. All right. And you can trade the CAT token here on cat.fun. You can also trade a number of the other coins that are within the CAT20 ecosystem. You could also do the same thing on .swap. If you go over here on .swap, you're going to be able to trade and swap FB tokens for CAT tokens, BTC for FB, so forth and so on, right? So there's new ecosystems being built right under our noses that are new protocols, new tokens. They're being minted as we speak. Let's jump into Unisat and show you what's been happening in this space, all right? All right, here we go. All right, so this is Unisat. I think you're all familiar with Unisat. And Unisat has been getting more and more bullish on Fractal Bitcoin, if you remember what Fractal was. And now they have a marketplace. There's a number of NFTs that are coming out of this CAT token. And you can see all the different tickers that are being associated with this Fractal Bitcoin network, right? These are all the BRC20s on Fractal Bitcoin. And you can see that there's a number of them trending right now, right? But now what else is in this ecosystem, right? Let's see, explore. Fractal. Let's go over here. Let's see if this is the right URL. I don't know if it is. Oh, nope, that's not. I want to show you a few tokens that you can potentially trade and or get in on very, very easily here. Okay, so these are trending BRC20s. Let's just open up a new window. Let's say Explore, and we'll say, yeah, here we go. Here's the CAT20s, and we'll go right here. All right, so here's the CAT20 Explorer Marketplace, if you will. And this will show you all the different things happening around CAT20. I'm going to click on CAT20 just to show you what's being minted. A lot of this stuff has already been minted out, but you can still mint a number of different CAT20 tokens. Still maybe a good time to get in, right? I mean, you still have Fleur available, CAT20 Pizza, been going for a while. F-Bull is already done. Kibble, you can get on Nion. I've gotten a lot of these tokens, right? I don't know if any of these things are going to be worth any money. Right now, they are not really worth all that much, except for the CAT token itself. But during this bull run, as liquidity flows into Bitcoin, you're going to see an explosion of these tokens. And I want to show you exactly why in just a moment. All right, I was trying to look for a certain meme that I was going to show you to show you how exactly or what exactly the CAT20 protocol is, what is Fractal Bitcoin is, and why it's important, right? I'm not going to actually show you that meme. I couldn't find the meme, but basically the idea is that if you look at the Ethereum ecosystem, on Ethereum, there is a huge, massive ecosystem of sort of tokens, right? There's a massive token ecosystem on Ethereum, and it's worth many, many billions of dollars. And that's what this meme was showing, was how big that market was on the Ethereum ecosystem, right? All the tokens associated. Well, now we have a Bitcoin ecosystem, an on-chain Bitcoin ecosystem, where coins can actually be minted on Fractal Bitcoin and actually then be live on the Bitcoin blockchain itself. And now with the CAT protocol, the CAT20 protocol, OpCat was enabled, which allows for programmability within a token that's built on the Bitcoin ecosystem on chain, right? So this brings a whole new ecosystem into being in the crypto space overall. And that's why I'm bullish on CAT20. That's why I'm bullish on Fractal Bitcoin, so forth and so on, because it's a brand new ecosystem riding the backtails or the coattails of Bitcoin, BTC's ecosystem, right? And BTC's audience, BTC's network, right? As people start discovering these CAT tokens, these Fractal Bitcoin tokens, and these different protocols that now exist and allow for new things, new innovations, people will start discovering these tokens and they will start to put liquidity and buying into these tokens, which will drive up the price. All right. So that's why I'm bullish on CAT20. If you go to cat.fun, you'll see you can actually trade a number of them on cat.fun. There's BTC Cat, FB Cat, BTC Cat 20 Pizza. So all these coins that you're allowed to mint now, or that you were able to mint, you can now trade in marketplaces like cat.fun. You have FBull, you have Kibble, you have Kitty, Trump, Ordi, FGLD, Kitten. You have all kinds of tokens, and they're starting to be priced out, right? So this is big news. You can also go to sites like fleur.gg, and you can actually mint out your own tokens. Fleur.gg, go mint your own tokens. You could also go to .swap, and you could actually trade a number of different CAT20 and Fractal Bitcoin tokens, right? There's CAT20s, there's Fractal Bitcoin tokens, and there's a number of other things. I think I need to refresh this page. It's not really loading. So we'll go to Unisat. You can do the same thing on Unisat as well. So this ecosystem is only growing, all right? And I'm not going to do that at the moment, but I just want to show you that there are different tokens, CAT20s, CZ was a big token, Fleur. So you can see that you can swap these different tokens. And you can see the number of holders for all of these tokens within .swap, right? So people have been minting these coins, and now they're starting to trade them, swap them with other assets tied to Fractal Bitcoin and tied to CAT20 protocol tokens. All right. So this is very exciting. I think you should definitely not sleep on this. I would check this out. Don't take this as financial advice, but I would not sleep on this, because I think in 6 months' time, you're going to look back and you're going to say, wow, I wish I would have gotten onto CAT20 tokens. Wow, I wish I would have got onto FBRC20 tokens. Now's your chance, guys. Get in while it is hot, and I'll see you next time. See ya.